Well, good morning. It's Crazy Cheap Chick, and let me tell you, I'm just back from the war. And by war, I mean grocery shopping. It was a madhouse today. I mean, it's going to be a holiday weekend, and I just have to say, Kroger, you need to do a little bit better. They kind of funnel everybody to certain days because they give double fuel points on Fridays. Well, I would have done my grocery shopping yesterday if it wasn't for the double fuel points. And what they did was, with a holiday weekend and double fuel points, they just created a funnel. And so there were so many people at the grocery store, and the line was so backed up, and their machines were having problems, and I had so much trouble checking out. It was insane. I spent $86.49 today. That's a lot of money. I also have been to the grocery store a couple of times earlier this week, and this was my main shopping trip. I would have preferred to have done my shopping yesterday, but Dylan's kind of funnels everybody to certain days. Like today is 2 times fuel points. So I didn't want to do my main shopping yesterday because of the 2 times fuel points. But I'm going to show you what I got. Some Texas toast for $2.29. These onions were $2.99. Potatoes $3.49. These buns were $1.79. Some blackberries for $2.77. The blueberries were $3 each. This red pepper was $1.24. They've raised green peppers to 89 cents each. I believe these raspberries were $2.77 or $2.99. Not quite sure. The strawberries were $2.49. Sweet potato was about $1. These bananas were 49 cents a pound. I think they were about $1 because they were clearance. That's what this red strip means. I broke down because I had my grandkids this weekend while their parents were out of town. I bought some tater tots, $3.49. I mean, $3.49 for a bag of potatoes, $3.49 for a bag of tater tots, which is the better deal. Of course, the potatoes are. But sometimes we make decisions based on our energy. Butter was on sale for $2.49. I grabbed a couple of packages, and you could buy up to 5. I had to buy some almond milk for my grandkids because they don't drink regular milk. Cheese was on sale for $1.49. You could get up to 5. I just got 4. This was a really good deal. The sweet corn for $1.49 for 4. My family's coming over for a cookout on Monday, and we're going to have some corn. Then I got this Rotel for 60 cents. This was probably, I think, the best deal. Was all of this deodorant, this Lady Speed Stick, which is normally, I don't know, it says it was $1.25, marked down to 66 cents, but seems to me like this stuff's normally way more than that. This was a pretty good deal. I got this on the clearance rack, and it was $2.94. It's basically bouillon, but a ton of bouillon. Tomato chicken flavor, which will be great for soups. I got a package of hamburger because we're going to have some hamburgers tonight. Got this body wash for $2.33. Some hairspray for $2. I got the last tub of these dish packs. I thought, well, if no one else is picking them up, I'm going to get them because that works out to about 9 cents a pack. And that's pretty cheap. So I'm set on dish detergent for at least 6 months. And then I got 2 of these little taco kits for $3.90. And that's what me and the kids and my husband are going to have for lunch today. If you can feed 4 people for less than $8, I think you're doing pretty good. They also had watermelons for $3.99 each, and I got 3 of them. You could buy up to 5 because we are having this cookout this weekend. And they had some plants. They had these rose bushes for $4.50. And they had these ferns for $1.50. Now, let me tell you, this is where being nice comes in. You know, just making friends with people, just being pleasant will get you so far. Because one of the employees saw me, and she saw I had these, and she's like, you know what, we've had those long enough, I can go ahead and reduce those a little bit more for you. And I really appreciated it. And I told her how nice that was of her. And so, you know, being nice will get you so far in life. So be nice. Let's go inside and see what we can find. Now, this is my second trip this week, and I'm doing my major grocery shopping tomorrow. Ran into Dylan's to get a graduation card for my grandson because he graduates from 6th grade today, which is just unbelievable to me how fast time flies. But I ended up getting a few things, of course, because I checked the clearance racks. And I got some pork chops for $4.47. I don't think that's too bad. And I got this Eye of Round family pack for $6.28. It had been $10.88. And I know I'm going to make fajitas out of this. And I know we'll probably have pork chops and sweet potatoes one night. Then they had this Natural Choice honey roasted deli turkey. And I don't know if I'll make sandwiches or what, but we're going to have turkey and mashed potatoes probably. Or turkey sandwiches with, French fries, something along those lines. I went ahead and got another one of these dish packs. I bought one yesterday for $5.39. And I kind of kicked myself like, you should have gone ahead and got those because 60 packs at $5.39, that's like 9 cents a pack. That's pretty cheap. And this Kashi Go cereal. I don't eat cereal very much, but my husband likes it, so I got a package for him of this honey almond flax crunch and some cinnamon crisp. And these Fruit Loops I got for my grandkids. Keeping my grandkids this weekend because it's my son's anniversary. So hopefully they like Fruit Loops because I don't. Got a bunch of coffee. I don't have a Keurig machine at my house, but I do at work. And these were $2. And these were $2. And they had tons of them. The guy putting them out, he's like, take all you want. I got 9 more banana boxes of coffee to bring out. So when I do my last of my grocery shopping tomorrow, if they have more coffee, I might stock up a little bit because that's a pretty good price. Cauliflower for $1.95. A head of cauliflower is $3.99. And they're so messy to cut up. So I went ahead and got one. It's more peanut butter. This wasn't as cheap as that 75-cent peanut butter, but it's organic. So I went ahead and got 2 of these because in the summer I have what is called Camp Nana Banana. And I have my grandkids one day a week and we do all kinds of fun things. And one of the fun things we do, it's kind of a classic, is we make gummy worms or gummy bears. And you need fruit pectin for that. And these were on the clearance rack for 50 cents. So tomorrow I may pick up a couple more if they're still there because these are usually $1.99. And if you're old like me, you know this is what you use to make jelly, but you also use it to make gummy bears. Then I got, how many of these? 5 packages of this chocolate-covered strawberry dark roast Dunkin' coffee. It's probably on clearance because it's limited edition, and I don't know if I'll like it. To me, all coffee pretty much tastes like coffee, but it was only $1.19. And so that's way less per ounce than even the Folgers that they have on sale this week for $6.99. And I went ahead and got a couple of the Starbucks ones. They were $2.20. Toasted coconut mocha and spring day blend. Notes of dusted cocoa and dried fruit. You know what? I bet it all tastes the same to me because I do not have a very discriminating palate when it comes to coffee. Some people are kind of coffee snobs. They have to have a certain brand or, a certain roast. Not me. I'll just drink coffee. Stopped in at the grocery store today, Dylan's, and spent $29.36 pre-tax, and I'm going to show you what I got. I got some nice vegetables. This living lettuce was $1.50, and it's out of water, so if I give it some water, it's going to last a while more. And I got this peppercorn ranch salad, which we will have tonight for $1.28, and some spinach for 69 cents, and some kale for $1.20. And I've been wanting to make some zuppa toscana soup, and so I was kind of glad I found the kale. This is going to be my lunch today, black bean and corn salad kit. And then I got 2 of these veggie trays, and I think these are normally, I don't know, $9, $10, $11, $12, or ridiculously expensive. And they were marked down to $2.70. A little bit of this boneless fried chicken, probably not the healthiest, but it sure tastes good on a salad. A little bit of guacamole for $1.37. And this looked interesting. Peanut butter with white chocolate cherry cordial. And that's what helps me stay on track on being a clearance shopper, is finding things like this that I've never had before. I would never buy this when it was its regular price, which was $4.22 or $27. I would never have spent over $4 for a little tiny thing of peanut butter. So finding little things like this to kind of keep us interested helps. Because when you think about it, why do people like going to places like Trader Joe's, for example? It's because they're always putting out new products, and it's just an experience, a food experience. So this is a food experience for us. I don't like buying dressings that are already made because they put preservatives in them, and I don't think that's very good for you, but I love ranch dressing. I just couldn't pass this up. And then I got these dish packs for $5.39. I think they were normally like $8.99. I probably should have bought two, but I didn't, because I already have quite a bit of dish packs. I've just had to kind of wrap my mind around the fact that I'm gonna have to go to the store more than once a week, and I'm gonna have to put a little bit more effort into finding clearance food in order to stay on track. And the last thing I got, I forgot to bring it in and out of the car, was these packages of mini Coke. I don't know, I bought these because we're having a family get together this weekend when we open the pool. And so I got this for the kids. And I was glad it was Coke, because I don't like Coke. And so I will not be tempted to drink this. Thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. And I just want to say one thing. I can see some of my subscribers, but not all of them. I think it's based on your settings. And of the subscribers that I can see, I told my husband, I said, I love my subscribers because they're all just like me. And he said, what do you mean? And I said, they're mature, good-looking, super smart, and savvy shoppers. And he laughed. And you know, it's not that younger women or some men don't follow me, but the majority of us are probably over 45. And by that time in life, you've learned a few tricks on how to save money and how to survive, because it is about survival, isn't it? And when I said war, I meant war. I mean, shopping has become stressful to me. And I know it's probably stressful to some of you too. And I don't have the financial pressure that some young families have. I don't know how they're making it. But let's all share our tips and tricks, and let's all encourage one another, be kind and nice to one another. And I hope you have a great weekend. If you aren't already a subscriber, come on, what's holding you back? Join the rest of us. Have a great weekend.